Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti a man for quick keys. Oh yeah, we baby a man simple. Akabenezer. I don't know so child their French. Nice one teda. Nice one teda. Nice one teda. I say we be like on. Ti on ma no we kon. On pe wo ba wa fon. Tell you we pe di enam wom. Da wo pe di enam wom. Oba go for wa school man aboso. Branch this why one thing ti addition koso. And I'm for pa. I want it to one time. Like it. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go chinkwa, this year no dear Debbie, yo. Messi, I go chinkwa, this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go chinkwa, this year no dear Debbie, yo. Messi, I go chinkwa, this year no dear Amumpo. The man and me may pad this year, I could fibra no more bo. Your back can be our monfa, your moya no more yo. 3940 on any gang, Kyekyeku and a shefo. Stubborn boys, them day for campus. I'm with me, I like you wolf. Or your French, and I must want it. When I want to come force a call, the sack to every in the class. Or console when you're in the class. Where your boss was a foul to bed your marks. Power to bed your marks. Elani Jenson take the hood janty down or more. To be a democrat school, some of there. Enti like yeah, and I'm a friend in Swede. I want to dress and you. High school girls and boys. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I go chinkwa, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I go chinkwa, this year.
Now, can anyone pronounce this for me? All right.
Say up.
Okay. Sit down. And can anyone pronounce this one?
Up.
Sit down.
Question.
Okay.
Ask for the app. Is it application letter or phone app?
We'll get there. Any other volunteer for this one? How do you commonly say, every morning I wake up? Say that again. And is it not this?
Yes.
So how do you say this? And how do you say this too? Don't they sound the same?
Yes.
But how come they spell differently?
This is an idea more say graduate.
I go on. What do I do? I sit.
Skanashi.
That be like. I don't want to say. If you ask no, Matana say on say one. A braille brain in a school, we wasting time. You are wasting from crèche to JHS, SS3. Man, you pay.
Now, this is a common mistake, and that is especially due to the fact that those who taught English first were British, and their pronunciation it's quite similar sometimes, but there are differences. Where I come from, this is app, and this is up. So there is still a difference between the two, even in the British pronunciation. We pronounce this one up, and this one up, which is more or less the same as we pronounce it, at least this one.
Who say they are compared? Of course, I didn't know your course. You didn't know about school. Who about school? Say the bedding.
Money matter.
He's kinda man. Your bossy be piska was as you so. In your school, some of the bossy a bed, what I say, Kakana, yinim. So what I say, life for no, and you be an anti-bedding, you be the abuano. Make a see it in them why. But baby, a situation a con boy. One more near the war. Time and a baby now be what is also got to us. Now, on crop one or no much on one side and no more. What I say?
They still sound very similar, but yet there are differences. Let's say one advantage in this case with the American English is that the difference between these two is more remarkable. We don't say app, we say app. But you don't have to sound it the way I do. That's not necessary. If you are okay by sounding this one app, it's fine because that's also correct. But make sure that whenever you see this one, you pronounce it differently. This is not up, this is up.
Well, they imagine 3 years or 4 years, what spending what has you know. What do you be on coin yeska? Okay, but mommy and son, those matters in school seminar, you come to your brain school, then school.
Hey, whoa,
South Spas Pine, yeah, almost spy.
what's it? Your students who? Yeah, what's the no? I never said I sometimes I was here, Jimmy.
We your student teacher need be free on my bar. Say Romeo.
Cultivate me up, I
bush as the one about.
App is like an app on your phone. Whether an Android phone, an iPhone, whatever, that's an app, a brief form of application. But if only you say app, you need to be specific. And you don't get app, you get up. Because if you get app, maybe you got an app on your phone. But if you got up, it means you woke up from bed or you woke up from sleep. Now another example. Here, this one, I guess all of you would say, okay, let me call someone for this.
It's car.
This one?
Yes.
Or this one?
The CAP.
The CAP. Okay, anyone else will pronounce it differently, I guess. Tell me.
My opinion is this one, cap, and this one, pop.
Alright. You see, mostly Ghanaians, and I don't want to be offensive because this is not meant to insult anyway. Most of Ghanaians will pronounce this one cap in order to differentiate this from cop. Nigerians, excuse me to say, will call it cop. Okay, but this is cop. In America, we say cop. The O is very open. And this is, let's say, a slang that we used to call the police. So cop is different from cop. And it's also different from cap.
There be no about my life. Any life, any see, any you share your school fees. I might see a middle school. No problem the same.
Your network. Now, when you be cry, media hano crane science na ya draw kutre ne higher ne higher na budget. And we had the bubbler. Kutre pass there. What do you call there, Wabrabo?
See, be a your cock or kutre home.
Minimum.
You know, network. Listen, as we did this school now, we have some guys during the day home. Them they earn good man.
That one be true. That one
one that's this, you know.
Young boys, them they cruise on their wide.
Hey, I'm a customer.
They this school.
Life, no. We is car. We are seeing your control, and I wouldn't. It hadn't you stay your house. My better school.
Up, cup, stuff, mud. And then it may vary depending on which part of the Great Britain or which part of the America or Australia you come from. Some people will sound this one up, which is very close as a tone. And that one is also correct. You choose the one in more easy way. Just make sure you don't confuse it with this one. Another example, it's a difference between staff and staff. You know what this is, right? Staff is the group of workers in a company. Sometimes you see signboards for, let's say, private places in the workplace where they write staff only. It means that any outsider will not be allowed to enter that place. Only the workers can have access to that room, so they write staff only. But stuff, like I'm buying foodstuffs, which is different from stuff.
When you like, Nini and so on say, Mo awufo ni ntini yeko school na momo na ye den ka ye be de wa. Senya awufo na nka me be pede wa. Ka ba na me shebe bi kura me ye me mola.
Man, network.
Yo.
One more bra, mommy obeka cho se network wan ye den. One more bra. Obeka cho so wa waste this kenyina wo. What else osabe fro kohwini. Man, you say look sharp. Oko Bible mu krampe wo ho. What I say? O say nshranka do ye dey. Unmu atwe ne akenkan. Stand there biem. Despite oko school.
Despite you wan go school.
Despite any scam you say ko bobo ni degree ne maniema.
Tell am.
Wonu koko oten.
Tell am.
Masa, me school krampe me nya krampe na krampo mawie.
So now let's recap it. How do you sound this one? Up, correct? But how do you sound this one? Okay, you again. Up. It's gonna be, let's say, a little tough at the beginning, but as you keep on exercising, you will get more familiar with it. And definitely it's gonna make a nice difference, and everyone who listens to you will see how well you're speaking English. This is one of the few details that really makes a difference. All right, now for the next time, for tomorrow, I want all of you to find 10 words which spell similar but have a difference, like this one, A and U, and are thus pronounced in a different way, like up and up, mad, mud. There are plenty of words out there with that difference. So this is the homework that you're going to do for tomorrow.
Na enkofo enkra na yesumo mu de duane na ba na so mu ye de.
That's what someone nya botre na we osumo bi so e ka no de ko e. Any night to also nya time e ye mere akwese bonu say time. O twen ho.
Ya tena ha chese.
O ntimi fa nwane sa adwe no adwe no me wa so o di mi sike be dwane. Hey, daddy. Daddy. Ah, side. Hey, daddy.
Fila.
Abu Kyekyeku. Daddy.
Guys,
I said service to see picture making and no media no man presenting intent or man be and flow. Minim di entibula.
Wow, report to the.
Dem so things that still some the quest ala no. No go catch say no me.
Sa boys no munyo.
say no me could do
note you man ko twena blow mada.
Won ko do fi note da nye no enro.
Oh na Fila de wo.
Oh ma me chip in ma me chip in.
See nim suba yi.
Say me change person.
So am say the really.
David me chan kura bi mo kura ti ya botre afi na ba.
Hey. Be makasisi ya akofa akoto you know what dey boy we bet na tena many way
boy t get an kaso you find it and I'm so no fresh my body say
you find it I get akona born en kono
I was around.
You was around.
Yeah.
so boy bim
ana make am say stone boy so onyo na say na na ka wona yeah no no
Hey yo.
hi
How are you? Very good.
we are fine
Please, can you repeat
What you said?
what you said?
what can they
no say
me man ka say na nkomo ni
makai stone boy hon komo ni stone boy
Continue.
na me papa che stone boy so be great still no to my own we tell stone boy
This
bim
somebody did this
school.
ono ni stone boy fan me
Stone
me
boy
say
fan.
ti ono komo ti chi di ni
nkomo ni
I chan kura bi mo.
We chom mo.
Lala na.
Ah, we chom be for
Hey, now who don't start it abeg?
Ah, boy don.
Hey, who start it twan for that?
O mani so ahia na.
You remember the di anim no.
Eh, oboboy for na.
Ah, oboboy for ni bia.
Okay, that's nice.
Rossi.
They be na nom koto.
I'm so mo pe wachi bi mera.
Wachi.
Ah, wachi.
Achi so de ana nyamela yo.
I know so beti me di ko bia mfrɛ o.
Oze.
Eh ka na me
I
ka.
say kwati say the star ase wo nya aduan ase opese opam bi
Oh,
say.
they say me pa wo ka say nya online. I say ya say.
The way sare ahwa school mo obi anto aduan mo bi o.
na when your message when your invitation na. That's it.
Now this time I am feel money a pana.
Hey,
What to do so? Ja, I'm bet.
David, me baba. I didn't have one way.
Senior Pachin.
It's a came back and I said, no, the crowd.
Pachin, no any.
I didn't know me, so much a critical bomber. For this in the end of the town.
Pachin, real crowd, the Quanas will be the crown.
You people are making me hungry. Hungry. Like, crash are you? Crash are you? Very good, my brother.
Form 1.
Juniors. Form 1. Ha! Juniors. No more juniors, more senior. No more stone boy, beam, stone boy. So, you are Form 1 and you are laughing at you are senior.
Come down.
So, do what to fight me? Oh, listen. Do what to fight me? Do you want to fight? Very good, my brother. We know cham one city no.
Eduane ne say no.
E mo ne tell you one city. Me mama osika.
Hey. Man, na man bet.
Na ko se mu ade sa.
Minya, ohwe. Sa boy ntimu ni mu na wo no tie obete wo no.
Mo na be mo one city tell you one city no.
Dem senior dem nya ya no. Sisa kwa say.
Na say wani so ko to dey say onya ya no.
Botaki. Kan botaki.
Minya mo na wonya ne zepu nyina asa we ni zepu nyina asa.
Omo na ye ma seniors ye boni o. Koto mo bre me eye mo makaba e fote city. Emo ni bibia fote city. Mama 5 city koto bra.
Aya na enkwada mi.
E ba ja
mi ti o mase.
Botaki na so do to agusu.
Minya ne zepu nyina asa we.
Na so ti school mo na. Na de sister no mba na streamstress no.
What's it? Stand up!
So one sama ko fa ba.
Stand up!
Sorry dia na.
Senior Simon story na mo tete o. Mu wade wo.
Man tane che bedan nusu.
Hey! Don't talk. Your senior is talking.
Yes sir, senior.
Kneel down.
Edusa.
Go down.
Senior we dia.
Kneel down, Chama. Kneel down.
Go down.
Kneel down, Biggie.
Ohene asu subo mi.
I try to talk with me.
Senior David.
Hey,
Senior.
both. Lie down.
Senior.
I said,
Lie down.
okay.
Senior,
Come this way.
I come.
Yeah. Do you something? Try and push me.
Hey, senior. Condition now when shadanya matically. Impia says ya same BC.
Seamstress no.
Hey.
Point of your speech.
Seamstress no.
Point of your speech.
Na book man na.
Ah, kwa visual atampa.
What's it?
Rofuni nyi. Ode kan say ka.
Nana also dey can say.
Ode kan say.
O ka say.
Me seamstress. Seamstress.
Nana also can say. Nana also can say. Senior patron sisani.
Hey.
Seamstress.
Nana abua meme sisani. Mo mama ka cha wa. Say mu jimi na masa say na mu jimi no. Ye ne suo ma na say mo de nam na mo say tete yen me boa.
Me nya we obete.
Ka Christian me yama na no odiani ni.
Say senior patron dey nya na say safa ni senti sisani na me.
Stand up. You guys stand up.
Oni ma dey bo we la we me nya boy obete. Wait, what's man 5 cities obete.
Me dey so say no ti o.
Won show shoot down. Da bia wo. Na say mo na mko guys do okwa mission no. Da bia na say pe ma de.
Hwe. Obeka follow ta free. Wa boda we start ya che.
O start champagne.
Sad ne ya che.
You dey gun sama.
Jikuta.
Is it your
Consent.
consent?
It's my consent.
Senior patron mo asim ka.
Why do you want to
Talk me.
talk to me?
Wa hu mo bo na e dey so be hu mo bo. Ana wo yesi senior. A chere.
Hey, why do you look?
Senior say wa wo jina we ya elfo.
Hey, Biggie, are you out of your senses?
Na say no.
Fuck off from there.
Senior.
Don't you know he's your senior?
Senior patron.
Look at the way you are talking to your senior. Stupid boys. Calm down.
This matter is my matter. I count of 20.
then you run away from here. Good.
I can't tell them to send them for race band and good munsa. So land a good munsa.
You am person pay money, eh? Ti dia wo ye ti say you send me the way no go. Na me no just na me boy. Mom, the boy ma hana. Ah, mom nyesa. Mom.
Oh, class way.
One has to see.
One has to see.
One has to see. I want you in our class about me. What about me?
I want to see you ketia.
I see you.
Ah,
that's a way to tell me why. I see that to me why. One natural crop. What are waiting for? Eh, Sanway.
In the patch of the market.
What is it? One is one is small. Okay. No problem.
Woman 5 cents.
Remember 150 pesos.
Wait, you uncle.
Senior patch.
Okay.
I did go on my own woman for Senior patch any. Why? I don't know. So tired. Why? I got 2 years. They be on the 12. So we'll see you. How is that? My name is Nancy. The 2 year field. Meaning, they be on the 12 Pampay Nation. Ah,
I go say now.
the punishment, Nana punishment. You're the punishment.
One.
Very good.
2. Very good. 3. Very good. 4.
Hey! Let me talk. Let me talk.
Move Franco. Ah, I want you to know. Mumu conditioner senior and womb. Mumu na mumu in the rough. Stupid boys in this campus. Senior.
So, please, oh, 50 years okay. Should I look someone like secular? Oh, 50.
I said, Miss M, and Peso will be
you my junior. By 50. Talk to me. Should I look like some boy? Bim. Some boy. Bim. Do I look? Huh? Oh, 50. Do I look, sir?
You don't look. What are you, uncle? Uncle. You don't look. Calm down. Don't let these people embarrass you this afternoon. You have to prostrate yourself. Okay, you let's go. Everything that magistrate is so encouraging. You know, senior, calm down.
Auntie!
There are quarter 7 now.
That be not one of Smano.
Them name them Sumana, it was more than James and
I didn't know just one guy.
Namu se bijana mo kuna na.
And also when you are also James Sano.
Hey, momo. 39 bobo.
I did what I said we are so over 10% 20.
And you was only my exchange US.
Some no exchange. Wow, we are senior.
Checheku.
Oh, there be me.
Fila.
I say
anyway, say senior and Tina would know.
FILAMAN. I'm this idea number no.
Papu Jina is here, so we're doing a man in the Diana.
Hey!
Alright.
FILAMAN.
And I'm Diana.
Who dear Diana?
What a general Munjin. Fila, Muncha.
You move. Maybe
What do you mama crabo? Nyanko padem boko. What do you have? Hey, I don't Yes, madam. Okay.
Flag.
Okay.
Flag.
Yes.
Flag. Diabetes so mo friend BT. Just BT. Oui, c'est ça, oui, bisous.
Okay.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour.
Yeah, je m'appelle Like.
Je m'appelle Fifi Robinson.
Let's go.
What do you mean? Academy.
The aka won't say. Kakra be obechiro. Kakra. No what be.
Okay. So as I was saying, I want someone to give me the phrase of the scenario that I gave.
Madam Mayor.
Speak English.
Madam Mayor first.
Oh, English.
Yes. Give me.
Hey, madam, please. I'd like to ask you a question. Something confused my mind.
Ask me, what's that?
If I say I ate Madam Goman apple yesterday, is it right?
The ask question you are asking my question.
I said
What you are saying,
yeah.
what you are giving me right now, it's different from what I'm saying.
You said past tense, that's why I said yes.
No,
My first
maybe you didn't understand. Were you in this class? You were sitting there, you were just watching me, but you were not understanding.
Madam,
He
was asleep.
He was asleep.
The way she did that,
He was asleep. Who can explain to him? Who can explain to him what?
Yeah. Me say, master, me share the session pada.
Oh yeah.
Me share ni session ni papa.
Oh yeah.
Oba school yi mu first for me for master bi. Na ko ogu me school.
Sure. My family be na wako father. Madam, what's my okay be to me of France? Me be school bra kura ketua me be school of France.
Ah, obobla.
Ah, me bobla ma fa wo teacher ni. Ogu school ni say to.
Obegu no.
Ogu no. Na me chair France president. That was no sir. And I'm trainer there. I'm trainer there man be a conference with the president. Na me trainer no. Man be di eh. Me be school no be brave. The whole we are singing, I'm not French.
Oh, yeah,
the first record, me no be farm, me ma me cool space. Abrofuna be space be osoro. Yeah, me culture French.
Oh,
I want to from Kwan. One until now come from now. Who you see?
Wow.
Ah, when him there.
The French there. J'avoue pas.
And the master we there.
Oh.
Me say, what be who said you
me who na me who.
Where the papa?
Yes.
Madam
said what I was.
Madam said she's supposed to give a book to somebody, which she hasn't been able to. So how are you going to say it in past tense? For instance, every question you must ask should be present tense after you bring an indicator of past tense. Did you followed by what? A present tense. So did you sleep well? Did you eat? And yet did you eat? I'm not understanding. Sit down there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Come school no dey kanya so wa.
Madam, who them say Rosalinda? Me trainer.
Rosalinda.
Yeah.
Me na trainer. Hey, you mo
Rosalinda.
What na trainer Rosalinda?
I know I Rosalinda.
Oh, why are they? Wa kwa ni
Abi mu nyina me a. Abi
na wa India no.
Me na ko fa abi fi India ba France. Bra me fi France abroach me mu nyina na France fo nyina esu. Doctor like Rizivu, Razafuji, Rosarindaji. Oh,
then we are blessed.
Oh, just what kwa ni mo? O woni mdie.
Madam, what
chere Rosalinda there? Rosalinda there kana se ko kai no. Hey, what kwa ni mo?
Me chere mo madam. E chere ni pa je je.
Yeah, nyi hwe. It is sister
with ya me hu ma we na hu se ma we. She's very good.
What I was trying to say is mostly people make mistakes, especially even grown-ups. So I'm trying to correct this, which I want my students to learn from this. Most of the times, when people are making a phrase, because listen to me very well, because I'm going to ask you again, and when you make a mistake,
the meaning of the phrase, that's why.
Are you in this class? You are just refusing to learn.
Master, we met in a short master.
Come on, France present.
Oh, Fabian, no, baby catcher.
Never. Madame Jano.
Fabia no was simple
but me my home yeah.
Why are dear?
I thinking about my country.
Why are dear?
When you get education, try to learn your country. You know, French in India.
I'm not bluffing to me. Why are dear? Who bought home a day? We are dear. Minimum so about school with the near my best. Dear my best.
Madam, any society that I believe we need not to bother him. Say, one go find a call.
Send me one who's so educated. Oh, Madam, we should use school over one.
What woman for a man
with free school?
Hey, not what else in good. Oh, catch almost a war, baby, eating from
Javu, she commodity, she got.
If you repeat, I will walk you out from my class. I don't like that.
Madam, maybe over here in our body.
I don't like that. You are distracting the whole class. What is that? I don't like that.
Madam, sorry.
When I started teaching, before I started, I told you you have to concentrate. When I'm teaching you, you have to concentrate. Before I started, I made this statement before. And now you are sitting there, even whilst I'm explaining it, you are still asking me questions. How can you understand?
Master, when you want you to school, your mommy. Ah, she is not coming. Yamina, Mr. Swamana, do make this one. It's Mr.
Passport.
Passport, yeah.
Remember, could do holidays some few minutes. Remember the one I have the elephant.
That's what I'm going to
I heard this, maybe not by a course.
Oh, Debbie, I know the Ebema, I'm so free school, my brother. I didn't never be diablo. I feel said the man is here, and your master, we are going to be
Next on Students of Today.
I believe you know we have a stranger in our midst. You've been complaining day in and day out. Headmaster, we need French teacher. Headmaster, we need French teacher. By His grace, you have a French teacher today.
I'm sorry.
Masama he, and you are not give me oh. Me, I am not give me oh. You see, someone like me.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti amam fo krekre keys. Oya obi baby am simple. Akabenezer. Ono no say so child the French. Nenswanteda. I say we like gone. Ti on man no we kon.